Welcome back to Day 1 Spanish, Episode 3 of 20 Week 1, The Foundations. I'm Carlos.
And I'm Lucia. Today is the day every Spanish learner remembers. The day you find out Spanish has two verbs for to be. People dread it. By minute 6, you'll wonder why.
Today's sentence is a big story sentence, the kind you hear on dramatic news days. Lucia, real news speed.
El gobierno, la policía y el ejército están hoy en las calles. Slowly now. El gobierno, la policía y el ejército están hoy en las calles.
Did you catch the verb? It means are, but it's not from ser, the verb you learned on day 1. Lucia.
Están.
Your turn. Repeat after Lucia and punch that last syllable. Están.
Están. Están comes from estar, the second verb to be. And Carlos, here's the whole secret in one line.
Ser is for what something is, its identity. La presidenta es abogada. Estar is for where something is and how it is right now. The army is on the streets. That's a location. That's estar.
What it is, ser. Where it is, how it is today, estar. That one line carries you through most of A1. Now the forms. It is, in a place. Está.
Your turn.
Está. They are, in a place, están. And I am, estoy. Listen to the pair from each family. Identity, es, location, está. Es abogada. Está en la capital.
She is a lawyer. Sir. She is in the capital. Estar. Both tables side by side are on today's lesson sheet. Don't memorize the philosophy. Just start noticing which one the news uses. Now, who is on the streets? 3 institutions you'll meet on every dramatic news day. The government.
El gobierno. The police. La policía. And the army. El ejército.
El gobierno, la policía, el ejército, 2 L's and 1 la, and you learn each noun with its word for the, like a first name and a surname. Your turn, all 3. Repeat after Lucia.
El gobierno, la policía, el ejército. El gobierno, la policía, el ejército.
Last piece, where are they? On the streets, plural. And here Spanish does something very tidy.
One street, la calle, the streets. Las calles, la calle, las calles.
Hear it? La becomes las, and the noun takes an S. Both words go plural together. El becomes los the same way. El año, los años. 2 singular these, 2 plural these, and that's the entire system. Forward.
And one little word for the calendar, hoy, today. Your turn, the whole ending of the sentence. Repeat after me. Están hoy en las calles. Están hoy en las calles.
Here's where we started. Lucia, slowly first.
El gobierno, la policía y el ejército están hoy en las calles.
The government, the police, and the army are on the streets today, now at real news speed.
El gobierno, la policía y el ejército están hoy en las calles. Your turn. The whole sentence out loud. Repeat after me. El gobierno, la policía y el ejército están hoy en las calles. Muy bien.
Day 3, done. And the famous monster turned out to be one line, ser for what it is, estar for where and how it is, plus los and las, and 3 institutions you'll never not hear again.
Your lesson sheet has both verb tables side by side, the 4 words for the, and today's vocabulary, free at linguawire.com/day1, with the 10-minute homework built on today's sentence.
8 minutes of listening gets the sentence into your head. 10 minutes of homework keeps it there.
Mañana, más de 10,000 personas están en la manifestación.
More than 10,000 people are at the demonstration. Tomorrow we count in Spanish all the way to 10,000 with about 6 words. See you then.
Hasta mañana.